The impact fine crusher is mainly composed of an impact plate device, side lining plate, impact plate, front lining plate device, sieve plate device and upper and lower shells. The advantages of the impact fine crusher are small discharge particle size, less dust, uniform particle shape, large production capacity, long life of the hammerhead, low supporting power, change from tertiary crushing to secondary crushing, simple structure, stable operation and convenient maintenance. Applicable materials are granite, basalt, limestone, river pebble, cement clinker, quartz stone, iron ore, bauxite, etc., especially suitable for making abrasives, refractories, cement, quartz sand, steel sand and other hard and brittle materials, fine and medium crushing of materials. It is widely used in the production of high-quality stone materials in mechanical artificial sand making, high-grade roads, railways, water conservancy, airports, construction, cement, refractories, ceramics, chemicals, metallurgy and other industries.